Did you have fun with tats today?
Yes, I did.
What do you like about it?
I like that you can have lots of glitter and lots of different colours, and it's not just for girls, and it can be for boys as well.
Oh. Was it difficult to use tats?
No, not really. It was quite easy, but when you read the instructions, I guess it would be easy.
Nice. Were the instructions difficult to read?
Not really, I don't think.
Would you want to play with tats again?
Yes, I would. Because there's lots of different varieties.
And would you want to play with tats by yourself, or with your friends, or with your family members?
Probably with my friends, because we can all have one.
Nice. Which designs were your favorite?
Probably the robot ones or the pet ones, because they look really cute and cool.
What did you think of the party ball that we showed you at the end?
That was pretty cool, because like you can have like your own secret stuff in there. Like you could put anything in there.
And what else would you want to put tats on? Like somewhere in your room, or like anywhere else you can think of that you would want to put it?
Maybe I would put it on my computer or something, because I think it would look very cool there.
All right, fine, thanks. That's all the questions.